All right, this is my take on the every haircut challenge. Jeezy, I had to take you up on it, bro. I thought I was, you know, I was a little bit of a lull there when it came to haircut videos, but you had to go and call everybody out, didn't you? You had to go and call everybody out, right? Because you're right. I wait for the best model, for the best hair texture, for the best haircuts, and those are the ones that I post. But you had to go and say something to the whole world, didn't you? So, with that being said, let's do this. Yo, guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? What's today, Ramos? What day it is? What day is it, Ramos?
Everyday haircut challenge, boy.
Every day.
Oh, shit.
Every haircut challenge day, bro. Come on.
My bad.
What day is it?
Every what? Every haircut.
What day is it?
Every haircut.
Steve's it.
Every day haircut, boy.
Yes. Louis, what day is today?
Bamboo day.
Okay. Alice, what's today?
Taco Tuesday.
I'm wolfing, bro. I'm
What
wolfing.
day is it?
Every haircut challenge, boy.
Thank you, Los. God. Hold on a second. Wait, I'm sorry. Willie, you didn't think I was really gonna let you get away with that, did you? You didn't think? Rookie mistake, bro. Rookie mistake. Battle wounds at the barbershop.
The blade. Rookie!
Okay, so first client, let's go. Salt and pepper, or a little bit more salt than pepper, but skin tight fade, a little bit of shear work on top, styled it with a little bit of Tune 45 product, and that's it. All right, number 2 of the day. These are twin brothers. I've been cutting them for a long time. It's 3 brothers. 2 of them are twins. They all come in together, 3 appointments, back to back to back for the last 4 or 5 years. So this brother, the first one gets a burst fade mohawk, nice skin tight, didn't want to touch the top. Let's go. Yep. Client number 3. This is the other twin brother. He gets a high ball fade, skin tight, nothing off the top. Talking about twins, they don't want to touch the top. I don't know. You know, they didn't want to touch the top. I don't touch the top. And last, but not least, the last brother. This is not the twin, clearly. Perez, why would you even, of course he's not the twin. Anyways, the last brother of the group, he gets a number 2 on the sides, taper, little trim, comb over. Let's do it. Client number 5. So number 5, my 5th client of the day, Jeezy, man, Jeezy. I don't normally take new clients, okay? But I've been cutting this family for quite a while. So their young son, I believe he's 4, it's time to get a haircut. So I had to cut his hair, and he flipped out. But real barbers know how to take care of it. We figure it out, right? And little clients, all you barbers out there that don't want to take kids, listen, kids one day turn into adults. So don't pass the kids up, you know what I mean? We love the kids. It's okay, I know, And they say haircuts are therapeutic. I guess not. Okay. Every cut, bro. If you can't take the heat, tell
Get out of the kitchen.
get out the kitchen, bro. Get out the kitchen. Next, client number 6. Okay, I don't know if it's like family day. Is it family day? Did I not get the memo? These are 2 more brothers that come to me as well. Been coming to me for a couple years. This brother likes to get a little curly top on top, little style type thing, shears, kind of like the first client if y'all are paying attention. And he gets a highball fade in the beard like your boy. That's it. So let's get it.
You a beast, boy.
As for his brother, he gets a high taper. That's all I gotta say about that. Okay, guys, this one I'm upset about, okay? You had to go and get me out of my comfort zone. Us YouTubers, we have a certain way we want to film. We have a certain place we set up the camera. We have a certain way we do things because we're creatures of habit, right? So I didn't get the before on this one. I'll show my hairs before, I guess. My hair. I didn't get the before footage, but I got the after. My man got a number 3 on the sides. High taper, a little bit of shear work on top. Styled it, fresh, in the game. I put him in the game. Y'all let me know what y'all think. All right, this next one, it's half on the sides, little high taper, shears on top into like a faux hawk thing. Nothing really crazy, okay? Okay, you want it every haircut, okay? Last one of the day. Whew. I'm never doing this again. Ever. Okay? Jared? Okay, Jeezy? Never doing it again. Last client of the day. Last client of the day. Little curls on top. Got a ball fade. Lined up his beard and I put him in the game. Put him EA Sports. I put him in the game. I'm done. I'm out of here. All right, guys, all jokes aside, the everyday cut challenge was fun. I appreciate the difficulty of it. Again, like I said in the beginning of it, we do choose, right? Pick and choose who we're, not everything is meant for Instagram. Not everything is meant for YouTube. So I think it was definitely a dope challenge. And who knows, I might start posting more videos again. This was kind of fun. So I appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Follow the Barber Session podcast. Big interviews coming up. I just interviewed Joe Fons on this week's podcast. You can find it on iTunes or Stitcher or SoundCloud. And you can interact with your favorite barbers. You can hear your voice on the podcast. You can call in and ask your favorite barber a question. All you gotta do is call 813-602-1182 and you can hear your voice on this podcast. Appreciate you guys, and as usual, I appreciate your time.